Hello, Lone Star students. I'm here to show you the Earth, Sun, Moon system test that we're performing. In this situation here with the two styrofoam balls, and I like the Lego setup for the moon. We'll start with the winter season, which is north in the situation we have here in the north with the North Pole tilted towards Polaris. It's not perfectly at 23 degrees, but it'll represent the fact that we understand the North Pole always will point off towards the North Star. In this situation, this is the first day of winter. December 21st. It's also the day where we have perihelion. Perihelion means that the Earth is closest to the sun, even though it's the beginning of winter for those of us in the northern hemisphere. The people in the southern hemisphere would be experiencing the first day of summer. The Earth goes around the sun counterclockwise. In 3 months, it will land here at March 21st. The moon will, of course, go with the Earth. This is March 21st, the first day of spring. This situation here with the lit side pointing towards the sun, in this scenario with the sun, moon, then Earth, this is new moon. Goes from new moon through waxing crescent to first quarter. At first quarter, it's at 50%. Continuing along, it goes through waxing gibbous until it gets to full moon. At full moon, we see 100% of the lit up side because the sun is what generates the light. Going from full moon through waning gibbous to third quarter. At third quarter, we then pass into waning crescent, where it passes back through waning crescent into new moon. Now let's move the Earth. As the Earth moves, as it rotates as well, it ends up landing here in the first day of summer. The first day of summer is June 21st. On June 21st, we also experience aphelion, which means we're farthest from the sun in our orbit around the sun. It's ironic, I know, that the northern hemisphere would be experiencing summer when we're farther away, but that's just the way the Earth is set up. Continuing along for the next 3 months in summer until we hit September 21st. September 21st is the first day of fall. From fall, we end up traveling back through the fall months until we hit December 21st. Of course, the moon's traveling with it, always the light side pointing towards the sun. Those are all the things that I'm wanting you to know. I remember perigee and apogee. Perigee and apogee are just like the words for perihelion and aphelion. When the moon is closest to the Earth, it's at perigee, and when it's furthest from the Earth, it's called apogee. Now, when the moon is at full moon and it's at perigee, which is pretty close, it presents us with a wonderful supermoon. It looks bigger because the moon didn't grow. It's just now closer. Just like if I was to walk up to the camera, now I'm at Per Williamson. Per Williamson is when I'm getting too close to the camera.